Hello my dear students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine at your places. So today we will start with our second lesson number 2, parts of a computer. Okay, so students, in our previous lesson we learned what is computer, and now we will learn or identify parts of a computer. Okay, so let's start. Children, you know that the computer is a machine. It works on electricity, but a computer does not work on its own. It has many parts as shown below. Like our body parts, these parts work together to do various tasks. So students, just like our body parts, computer also has many parts, okay? Like monitor, keyboard, system cabinet, mouse. Okay, these are the parts of computer. Okay, so students, in page number 13 you have to do this activity. Before knowing more about the body parts of a computer, first label the parts of the body. So here you have to name it, okay? So moving on, the main parts of a computer are monitor, keyboard, mouse and system cabinet, also known as CPU. Now children, let us know the functions of these parts or how these parts will work, okay? Okay students, turn the page number 14. Here now I will teach you the function of each part of computer. So first one is monitor. So children, monitor is also known as VDU, visual display unit. So monitor of a computer looks like a television as given below, okay? Monitor looks like a television. Monitor screen displays the work that we do on the computer. We can also watch educational movies and cartoons on the monitor as we see on the television. So children, what is the use of monitor? Monitor is a visual display unit, okay? And monitor screen displays the work that we do on the computer, okay? So moving on to the next part. Next part is keyboard, okay? As you all can see, keyboard looks like this, okay? And keyboard has million keys. So another part of computer is the keyboard, okay? It has many keys on it. Each key has mark on it, okay? An alphabet or numbers, okay? Or symbols. So these are the number keys, okay? And keyboard is used for giving instruction or input, okay? Keyboard is a input device. Without, just like you write with the help of pencil on a paper, you use keyboard for writing on a computer, okay children? So here another exercise. Look at the picture given in the box and color the letter that make its name. Write the name in the given space. So children, you have, this is the picture, and what you have to do, you have to write the name, okay, of the picture, and you have to connect this just like this, okay? What is this children? This is a monitor, and you have to write here, this is a monitor. Here you have to write the spelling of monitor. Okay, so moving on. Next part is mouse, okay? As you can see, mouse looks like this. So it used to point and click things on the monitor screen, okay? And a mouse has 2 or 3 buttons on it. Okay children, turn the page. Our next part is system cabinet. Okay, system cabinets look like this. Okay, so system cabinet is a very important part of computer. Okay, also known as brain of the computer. It has a button that we press to switch on the computer, and it holds the CPU and some other parts. CPU is this, okay, a small chip, and CPU stands for central processing unit. It is the brain of computer. So what is the work of system cabinet? System cabinets hold CPU, okay, and this is a very important part of computer. It also controls all the other parts of computers. No more children, all the parts of computer like keyboard, mouse, etc. are connected to the system cabinet. So children, other parts of computer are connected to this. What is this? System cabinet. Okay. So children, your second lesson is also completed. Hope you all enjoyed this chapter.